Alright guys, we're back on the Bitcoin Cash here following up, and I find the Bitcoin Cash to be really interesting. I think it might be the next star basically. If you look closely on the potential, on the upside potential, it's quite staggering. I mean, you can track back here this very wide trading range all the way back to late 2017. And obviously price is trading well into the lower section, right? Very low levels here, but also starting to bottom out, starting to reverse. That's how it looks like. And obviously if the market's going to pick up the pace on the upside, in general, I'm talking about the crypto market, more specifically, you can refer to the Bitcoin itself. It looks like we will have the next upside move, which has the potential to reach back again the upper section, right? Now take a look at the numbers we're talking about here, because if we will have the next bullish move, it is very highly probable that we will reach that upper section. So right now we're trading at 800. The upper section begins with a level of 2340. Right, almost 2400. So we're talking about 300%. That's the potential, right? 3 times the price where it's trading right now. That's the potential, right? Huge potential on the upside, just to reach the very minimum level of that upper section. Now, what we want to see here, because I actually started to establish a bullish position here. It's still quite small, I have to say. I'm trying to be, cautious at this point. Obviously, we don't know for sure that the bearish market is over, right? The downside correction phase is over. We don't know that for sure yet. Although there are some signs and indications that we may be shifting into the next bull run. Here we also see that, signs, right? Price is starting to curve its way, sideways, and hopefully will begin to pick up the pace on the upside very soon. But I do want to mention this particular level here, 1310. Now that level is going to be acting in 2 different roles. The first one would be a secondary target. So if price will begin to build up some positive momentum here, I'm pretty sure it's going to hit that 1310. Whether it's going to break through or not, that's a different story, which is why we're going to use that level to take some profit off the table. And then wait to see the reaction, because we want to have price breaking that level, right? That's going to be the main test level. And if that level is going to be broken, it is most likely that we'll see the continuation of that expected upside move all the way to our final destination at 2340. All right, so I think it begins to look interesting at this point. I think we are at a very important moment in time here after this huge downside correction phase. You can see it started back at the end of 2017 and it lasted for 8 months now. Should be ending pretty soon. That's about that for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.